YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, before we get into this video, you already know what I'm gonna ask y'all. Word. Oh, yo, check this out. Boom, got that, damn, my bad if y'all can't see. All right, boom, got that resin by 6 Points Brewery. 9.1, you already know. This is actually an IPA. Love IPAs, you know that. No, this is an IBU, my bad. But I mean, it's a double IPA, yes. I don't even know what I'm drinking. Nah, I always get these joints though. Oh yeah, salud. You already know what this video is about, but before we do get into this vid, boy, if y'all have seen my other vid, if y'all haven't seen that joint, check it out. Boy, I went through it to get these damn joints right here. Oh, the Jordan 1 Origins, the Spider-Man ones, you already know. But yeah, boy, I went through it. Do tell. I lost on the raffle. Oh, I had mad people. I was not mad people. I had like 3 people trying to raffle for me. I even used my ex account. Tried to win a raffle, or that shit ain't work. Good. Yeah, these joints released on a Friday. I was at work. And shout out to King James, damn. Shout out to King James 5634, hitting me up on IG. I appreciate it. He was like, yo, Mr. Sports got him. I was like, all right. So I started calling around with like 15 minutes left on my lunch break. I was like, yo, y'all got these joints? They were like, yeah, they just came in. So I'm like, yo, look, I'm pleading a bullshit ass call. I was like, yo, I'm a sneaker YouTuber. In my head, I was like, so, nah. But yo, I was like, yo, please, like, can you hold that, hold it down for me? Dude was like, he was like, I mean, you know, my manager on it, so, you know, I gotta phone him. There was another Mr. Sport, so I hit them up. It was this chick. Shout out to, I'm sorry, it was this young lady. Shout out to Naomi, I appreciate you. So she was like, I got you. So this is how I rocked it. My lunch break was about to be over with, but we was getting out of work early to go to a Christmas party. I think we was getting out about 3:30. So what I did was, I think about 3:15 was when I called the store and was like, oh, what I said? Oh, it was like 3 o'clock. I forgot what time it was. I just made it seem like, oh, that's the other store, not that location. She was like, yeah. I was like, all right, well, it's gonna take me about 45 to get out there. So she said, all right, I'm lying. It was damn sure wasn't gonna take me 45. I had to run to go get the Uber X. Shout out to the Uber X driver, he was pretty cool. Dominican, you already know. So I was like, yo, I'm gonna be out there, you know, I'm showing him the joints, like, yo, you know, but anyway. So, boom. Drops me off, I run up in the spot. I'm expecting I'm gonna see like a Puerto Rican or something, you know what I'm saying? Like Naomi. So I get in there and it's like African run. And I was like, all right, Shorty had the little, you know, I ain't making fun, but in my head, I'm like, that don't look like no Naomi. But anyway, one of the dudes came out, he like, can I help you? I like, yeah, y'all got the Jordan 1 Origins or the Spider-Man? He like, the what? So I was like, is this Mr. Sport? No, sorry. It was some African spot. It was next door. Yo, I was like, oh, my bad. Yo. So anyway, I ain't really been to the, Westchester Square, matter of fact, 72 Westchester, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, it's right there. But anyway, so ran next door, scope the scene, see a female, Naomi. That's my name. Straight to the back she goes, and she's handing me the box. Merry Christmas. Shout out to Mr. Sports for holding it down. Oh, well, shout out to Naomi for holding it down, because your manager wasn't having it when I was trying to like call up and rock to sleep. He wasn't having it. And oh, shout out to Effectus Clothing for the, yo, this joint hard right here. I ain't even gonna front when I pull up on the scene. This joint nice, boy. You know what I'm saying? Kane. I've been getting a lot of attention. Well, I ain't gonna say a lot, but Valez asked me about this joint. Who else? Oh, boy. I'm going, then we're gonna get into it. I'm going down the block and a gentleman comes up to me and asks me, oh, hey, can I see the shirt? You know, I got my headphones in and I'm kind of like, well, you know, we don't do all this talking. He's like, oh, can I see? So I'm like this, you know what I'm saying? I got my jacket on this time. I'm like pulling it like that or like that. I'm not about to be like this so you can like break my nose. He get your money and he run across the street. Don't look both ways cause he's in a daze. Nah, it's holiday time, I be thinking. So I'm like this. So he go like this, he like, hey, yo man, don't touch my body, man. We're done, you know what I'm saying? Don't do that, you know what I'm saying? Don't do that. But anyway, let's get into this review. Got these joints in front. Well, I already said Mr. Sport. Is it Mr. Sports or Mr. Sport? Mr. Sports. Mr. Sports, all right, boom. Shout out Mr. Sports. It looked like, hey, they had some stuff in there too. It looked like a decent spot. I just ain't had time to play around because I had a holiday party to get to, you know what I'm saying? And it was job related. Speaking of, yo, my bad. Yo, y'all ever met like people, they be like, yo, I be looking totally different when out of work and stuff, like you be like, yeah, right. Nah, yo, I gotta give props to this one boy. I be looking at work, you know what I'm saying? I peep you a little bit, but boy, I thought I was in the Heights, boy. I just put it like that. But nah, it's joint straight. You know, I got homegirls that work up there anyway, but they work at another location. And oh yeah, so the people that I work with, I'm thinking that I'm introducing them to them. I'm like, yo, this is doing that. Like, we know them. You know what I'm saying? My homegirl, like, you the only one antisocial. It's like, yo, you know, yeah, that's my people. But anyway, yo, so boom, right here, you got that patented Nike box right there. Woo, my joint's a little damaged, but it's all good. Retail price, $160.
It was at this moment he knew.
She gave me a 10.5.
Relax, man.
I'm still grateful. Let me see, man. Did she? Well, my receipt though, for the receipt police. Oh man, my bad, yo. Yo, I was hyped. Damn, Naomi. If I wanted to, I could have got them joints from my homie, but nah, I think these are due. It's all good. Nah, I'm keeping them though. Rather than be 10.5 paws and like too small. You know, like, So anyway, man, let's get into this review. I'm ungrateful. Nah, I'm not. But damn, man. But it's all good, man. At least I got them. Let's start with the sole first. Boom. Got your translucent sole. A lot of people wasn't really feeling this joint. I like the whole concept of Spider-Man, so it was all good with me. Kind of reminds me of the threes if they had the free throw line, so I'm cool with it. It's all good. Let's take it to the medial side. Got a white midsole. The upper is predominantly red. Check out that tumble though, man. That joint's crazy. White side panel. Black Nike swoosh. Let's see what this swoosh is about too. If you could, let me see if y'all can see. Check this out. Y'all see, it's like a pattern in the swoosh. And I see it at the upper right here, the black upper right there. It's like the same type of pattern. Can y'all see that? All throughout the red of the sneaker, you got those like little webs. I haven't taken a picture of it like in flash. I do want to do that. So yeah, it probably does something. I don't know. I just know how to rock them. Still a little upset that take it to the lateral side, same as the medial side. White midsole, you see the translucent sole protruding too. Predominantly red, white and black. You see the patented black Air Jordan wings right there. The top part is black and it's also the same as the swoosh in that part right there. Toe box is white. You can see the little crinkles right there. Now the red is great though. I do like the red in the sneak. The leather is tumbled. It does look pretty good overall. Take it to the tongue. The tongue is white. You got your black laces. I always forget about those. All the way to the top, you got your Spider-Man blue tab, Nike Air lettering in the swoosh in red. Take it to the ash. You know what I'm saying? Same thing. You got your red tumble right there. The little webs going all around it. To the top, I already told y'all that it looks like the swoosh and another part on the side. Take it to the inside. I wish they would have did something like some kind of Spider-Man. Oh, no, I ain't even taking the insole out of these.
Hey, you can forget that shit.
The insole is Spider-Man blue, Nike Air lettering, and the swoosh in red. And that lovely 10.5, pause. I'm cool though. At first I was kind of tripping, but I ain't tripping. But you know what? I could have got that, I could have got this size from my homie, Pito. You know what I'm saying? Like, Julio, I'm sorry, that's your brother's name. My bad. I could have got it from Julio, but yo, good looking out though. But man, I'm still grateful because I did go through a lot to get these joints. And last thing, they did come with some extra laces. They are red and the tips are blue. That's pretty cool right there. Like I said, I wish they would have did something Spider-Man-y.
Like what?
Either with the box or something, but they remind me of the Chicago ones. I do like these, man. Like I said, you know how like it'd be a lot of people, they'd be like, oh, everybody wants the Spider-Man, but they ain't even read comics. Yeah, I ain't read no comics. I ain't read them, but I've watched all the Spider-Man movies like that coming. Not like if it's like some off joint, like, you know, like how like Batman and the Gotham type story. Nah, I ain't about to watch that. But I mean, I probably would, but I'm not gonna go out my way. This is a nice sneaker. Wish I did get my size, but let me know when I do the on foot. Top 5 best on foot when it comes to Spider-Man.
Nigga, please.
Let me know if there's a no, if like, you know what I'm saying?
You ain't saying nothing but a word.
I was thrown off with the size, like I said, but I'd rather it be a half size bigger than a half size too small, because I ain't wearing no uncomfortable sneaks, and pause that if you got to. Yeah, so yeah, man, no, these joints, these are tough. You notice that I did most of the, I seen them already. I took most of the pictures at my favorite graffiti spot. Shout out to Boone Ave, love that spot right there. But yeah, man, these are it right here. Got them at retail, wish I could have got them with the military. This guy, I was gonna ask him, but these were quick strike anyway, so there was no way. It was crazy how they kind of jumped up on StockX a little bit with the price. I mean, it's to expect, but I ain't paying it.
Yo, man, your liver gonna shrivel up like a prune.
My bad, I'm about to forget. This is cool. I like this, and I almost forgot. Nah, I didn't forget. I just found this out right now. Boy, check out the lace. The black lace has a red tip. That's cool. I do like that. That's why I was like, man, the red lace with the blue tip, that was pretty cool. But you know me, I don't really do the whole lace swap thing.
Oh no.
That's the only thing that I will rock how it's supposed to be rocked. Because you know me, I don't rock nothing how it's supposed to be rocked. Hence, you know what I'm saying? Even with the sweater, fold the joint back. You know, you're not just gonna make me. You know what I'm saying? I get choice, but I ain't gonna do the lace swap. So anyway, man, yo, do me a favor, hit me up for 400 likes on this joint. You already know I'm about to get into that on foot, the best on foot on YouTube. You already know how that goes. But yeah, man, shout out to.
Shut the f up, dog.
King James, I forget the other letters or numbers, but yo, I appreciate you, homie. Cause at first when you would hit me up, I look, and if you ain't got, I don't think you had no content or nothing like that. I'm like, all right, this is one of those spoof type, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't really just gonna sit there and just have a whole bunch of man talk. But yo, I appreciate you. Shout out to Julio again. I could have just went your route, but nah, it's all good. I'm cool. I'm cool that I do have them. Let me know that y'all pick these up right here, man. I really wanted these. Like I said, I do kind of wish like they had some type of Spider-Man theme, maybe at the bottom, you know what I'm saying? That would have been dope. Maybe a web or something at the bottom, but yeah, that's pretty cool. I think that before I rock these, I don't know, I might get some sole protectors. I don't really do that, but I might in this case, because I could see the sole becoming an issue. But nah, man, these are cool, man. Let me know what y'all think about these, yo, for real. So we're about to get up out of here, man. I'd like to thank everybody that's been rocking with me, everybody that's been commenting. Boy, I'm almost at 15K, you know what I'm saying? I just had the damn toast for the damn 14K, you know what I'm saying? Well, let me reenact the toast again. Matter of fact, let me go get the bottle. Be safe this holiday season. I'm not gonna say the same thing that I said last time. The new thing is, if the situation don't feel safe, get the hell up out of there. Hence, I can be on the train. If somebody come on there and they tripping, they ain't even gotta be tripping to me, but they can be, I was like last week, some cat, he was pressing this one cat in my vicinity. Oh, I'm getting off on the next stop. I'm going to another, no, it's the holiday season, man. Be safe, yo. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this, my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you. Out.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my niggas. You been talking that Versace shit before Versace was dead, my nigga.
Won't believe it. They should just came back like, man, you won't believe it. I got so much fast, I swear you won't believe it. I could say it fast, but you still won't believe it. Won't believe it. Won't believe it. If I show my wrist off, man, you won't believe it. Shorty suck my dick off like you won't believe it. I just wanna tip off like you won't believe it. Won't believe it. You making nonsense, so it's nonsense. On a rocket, check my eyelids. Ain't no fault I do this on me, this is godsend. All deposits, don't do posits. Who you way small, girl you crazy. You the chaser, I'm the chasey. Got a question, how you take me? She said I don't dice, I just take thee. That's a mouthful, you said a mouthful. Now her head back, she got a mouthful. At the party, we got the house full. How y'all on me? I just was doubtful. I can't complain, my life right now is good to me. He tryna be like that's something good to be. Shorty want a name, that's how it looks to me. I blew his fucking brains out like you won't believe. Won't believe it. They should just came back like, man, you won't believe it. I got so much rest, I swear you won't believe it. Ay, I could say it fast, but you still won't believe it. Won't believe it. Won't believe it. Ay, if I show my wrist off, man, you won't believe it. Ay, shorty suck my dick off like you won't believe it. Ay, I just want to tip off like you won't believe it. Won't believe it. Now try and keep up with me now. Crackers let me free, so the world got to feel me now. The world got to hear me now. Do this shit in gear and everything looking shifty now. Before I had a pretty house, used to stay with Mima, and my Mima used to kick me out. In a purse, I used to steal the 50s out. Now I fill a purse up with nothing less than 50,000. Bang on you niggas, nothing changed, but the way I'm about to change on you niggas. It's time to rearrange on you niggas. Hit the finals, then it's time to win a ring on you niggas. She touched the Chanel and she touched me. Shorty broke a nail when she sucked me. Ask me how I feel, yeah, that's lovely. What you made a meal, man, that's nothing. Won't believe it. Ay, thanks for just came back like, man, you won't believe it. Ay, I got so much rest, I swear you won't believe it. Ay, I could say it fast, but you still won't believe it. Won't believe it. Won't believe it. Ay, if I show my wrist off, man, you won't believe it. Ay, shorty suck my dick off like you won't believe it. Ay, I just want to tip off like you won't believe it. Won't believe it.
If you ain't top 5 dead or alive, man, I wish that nigga was here. Y'all, let me tell you something. He's the best. Like, fuck that.